Hey everybody, this is Michael McDermott on a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful December day here in 2012, December 23, 2012. I just want to share a thought with you today. Recently, a lot of people have been talking about the end of the world, the last days, according to the Mayan calendar. And I wanted to ask a question: were the Mayans lying? Emphatically, no. They gave information they thought and felt really to be true. But the best source to determine the end times or the last days of mankind as we know them would be to reference the Word of God, the Bible. Jesus said that in the last days there would be difficult times, that there would be wars, rumors of wars, there would be pestilences or disease, there would be all kinds of catastrophes taking place. He said, don't be alarmed when you see these things. Look up, your redemption will come, will draw nigh, and continue to walk in truth. Discover the truth in the Word of God. Do not rely on fables or false hopes to get you through these end times or last days. And again, were the Mayans lying? Emphatically no. But the best source to get your roadmap and strategies for these last days is the Word of God. Michael McDermott, Radio.org.